Alright, so today we have another dash cam to showcase and to install. This is the Rear Mirror Dash Cam, a vzi103. So in the box included, we have the dash cam itself. Since this is a rear mirror camera, the camera is already attached to the mirrors. So right now we have a camera facing inside right here, and this one you can kind of adjust it however you want it to. And we have a camera on the outside facing the viewpoint of where you're driving. All right, so the box include these rubber bands. So you kind of hook this on. There's little places where you can hook it on, and this is how you're gonna install it onto your mirrors. You pretty much put the mirror behind and you put this loop around. And the box also include power cords. This is plugged into your cigarette lighter, and this is the USB Type-C plug in directly into the dash cam. We have the GPS cord. You attach this pretty much onto a windshield and you plug it into the dash cam itself. And we have the cord for the rear camera. So this is the rear camera and this is the cord for it. Male to female head, simple, connect it, and you attach the end into the dash cam. And also included some 3M tape and some screws for your rear mirror. So right here at the bottom, you just attach a 3M tape right here or screws, and you screw it in the back of your car. And that's it for the box. All right, so right now we're gonna attach dash cam onto the mirrors. So like I said before, there's these rubber band type shape in the box. We're gonna attach these onto the hook right here. So here we go, one side on, and you want to attach this on. So it's very simple. You just gotta line up, make sure the camera facing the street is on the left, and the camera facing the inside of your car is facing is on the right side. And you just want to grab the rubber band from the top and pull it down and hook it over. Do it to this side. And that's it, there you go. So right now, after you install the dash cam onto the mirror, we're going to attach the power to it. Electric lighter or power cord is on the right side. So we're going to grab our cord, which is this one, and we're going to attach it right on it. Now the USB Type-C end is going to go on the very top, like this. And that's it. This is pretty much the whole setup for the dash cam. We're gonna attach the rear camera and the GPS, but as of now, you can use the dash cam as it is. All right, so now we're gonna attach the GPS. This is pretty easy. You attach this onto the dash cam, and you just wanna peel off the cover for the 3M tape. And you pretty much just attach it. You can attach it anywhere you want, but for this, we're gonna attach it onto the windshield right here on the right, so it's out of sight. I'm just gonna press it a little bit, and we're gonna hide this cable like this pretty much later. But as of now, that's the install for the GPS. I'm gonna attach the rear camera to the dash cam with these two cords. So the rear camera itself has a male head, and the other cord has a female head. And to connect it is very simple. You're just gonna line up the 4 pins, and then we're gonna attach this to the back. All right, so in the box, they should have some screw or 3M tape. These are for the rear camera. Right here, there's these 2 screws, you can screw it on, or we can use the 3M tape right here. For now, we're gonna use the 3M tape, take off one side, attach it onto the back, like this. You wanna stick it on one side, and when you're ready to install, you wanna take this cover, the red cover up, and you attach it, the camera on. So for the rear camera, we have these red wires. You can actually wire this red wire to your reverse light. So whenever you put on the reverse, you can use the dash cam as a reverse camera. But since this car already has a reverse camera, we're not gonna use this feature. So we're just gonna cut it off. But we're gonna leave it a little bit just in case we do want to wire it to the reverse light. But for now, we're just gonna cut it so we can cable manage it a little better. We're gonna cable manage it. We already attached the rear camera right here, so we're just gonna cable manage it and plug this in. So we have this reverse, so we're gonna actually hide it underneath this column right here. So right now I'm just gonna go under the reverse like this. Right here, connect it. So right here, this is just the basic display. So you have the front camera displays the car, and then the camera displays the back. To change the display, of this. You tap it one time, you go to the far right, you tap this icon, it's a camera icon, and you can switch between the different camera and how to display it. This is just the front. You can also scroll up and down. This is just the back. Again, you can scroll up and down. The top right, you have the date, the time, the display resolution, you have mute or unmute, you have your speed limit, all that is displayed on the screen already. So the second icon right here is the setting. This is where you format your car, you change all the setting that you want. And this one is a lock footage. It means like if you want the footage to be locked and not deleted through the loop system, you can lock it right here. The one on the left right here, this is the playback option, so you can stop recording and then view your clips or screenshot your video all through here. The next one is mute. You can mute audio if you want to, so just press this. You can see the icon on the far right. If there's a crossover, this is music right now. The next one, this is the record button right here. So right now we're not recording. If you press it again, it's recording, it's flashing red, it's counting down. And the far left right here is a camera icon, which you can use it to take screenshots. You press it, and you can view it in the playback. All right, I'm gonna go over the basic settings. Right now, the camera and dash cam is ready to go. But if you want to change the setting and customize it, you can go through right here. So loop recording pretty much is how much each clip is. You can do from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. G sensor, you can turn it on. So it means that when it detects a crash or any big motion, it can automatically record that footage for you and save it. Parking, it's similar concept. It's whatever, any motion that's detected through the camera while your car is parked, it can detect any movement and record for you. You can change the language, screensaver, Wi-Fi right here. This is how you can connect it to your app. We're gonna go through that later. Your clock format, date format. You can also format your car right here. You press this and press OK to format the car. And GPS, speed limit, you can adjust if you want to view it. You know, KM, MP right here. And these are all the most important settings. Right now, I'm going to explain to you how to connect your phone to your dash cam. So first, you want to download the app. The app is called TS Cam right here. And you go to the camera, you go to setting, you go to Wi-Fi, you turn it on, you go back to your phone, you go to setting, you turn your Wi-Fi on. If you go back to the main display, they should have a Wi-Fi, all of the Wi-Fi information right here. So right here, we just match the name and the password right here. And you type in the password. All right, so now we're connected to the Wi-Fi. We go back to the app. You allow. And right here, it's connected. So right here we have the app. You can press record and stop record, screenshot, and you can also switch between the camera at the bottom left icon right here. You can also go to the setting here to format your car if you want to. You can also press the bottom bottom left right here. It says record with storage to check all the videos and photos that you have, and you can download the videos and photos directly to your phone.